I heard choking coming from her bedroom.
I had a bike accident. I fell off a 5-foot drop.
He lost his footing and he fell. There was nothing I could do because I did not know first aid.
First person on the scene was a first aider who supported me, reassured me and gave me the first aid I needed.
I did the first aid course. I enjoyed it so much that I actually joined the organization and I have not looked back since.
The reason I knew what to do is because I saw a video. I managed to get that suite out and I just dropped to the floor just with relief. My message to everyone out there is to learn first aid. You could save a life.
There is so much that St John Ambulance have to offer. It's absolutely incredible.